Welcome to Best India Reviews. If you want the best product at the right price, you're in the right place. Let's get into it.
In this video, we will share the best keychain multitools you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many keychain multitools and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each keychain multitools, so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss the key things to consider when buying a keychain multitool. First, think about size and weight, because a good keychain multitool should be compact and light enough to carry every day without feeling bulky. Next, check the tool selection carefully to make sure it includes features you will actually use, such as a screwdriver, bottle opener, or small knife. Build quality is also very important. Look for durable materials like stainless steel or titanium for long-lasting performance. Additionally, consider the locking mechanism and ease of use, ensuring tools open smoothly and safely. Finally, check for portability and attachment options, such as a strong keyring or clip, so it stays secure and accessible. Balancing these factors will help you find a multitool that fits your needs perfectly. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.